All right, good morning, everyone. It's just after 9:20 Eastern Standard Time on Thursday morning. And I thought I'd give a little bit of an update. We're looking here first at the 15-minute bar on the pound because I want to go over the trade last night because I think it's very instructive for a couple of reasons. Number one, if you had this trade set for some kind of automatic pilot trade, then I was looking to get in here above 325. So depending on where you had your entry, your trade was triggered and came up here. There's about 30 pips worth of profit, roughly speaking. So depending on where you put your entry, could have been profitable again, depending on your broker, et cetera, et cetera. But anyway, the initial push was very successful, but it's also very instructive. Had I been watching this, I probably would have taken two positions. Okay, because here's the initial move. The market closes outside of the pattern that I'm looking at, but then look at this. Immediately, even though the market triggers the long, okay, so it pushes up, it immediately turns down. Okay, now this is the kind of momentum turn that I want to exit on. Now the reason why I want to exit is because I don't know if the market is going to continue pushing down. But at the first sign of this momentum turn, that's where I want to exit and look for a re-entry. And you can see here that the re-entry price is not that much different. Okay, so there was some initial momentum up, the market pushes down. Had I been watching this, I probably would have looked to exit. But let's go ahead and measure this from high to high. Look at that, 4 pips different. So there's not a lot of difference between these two, which means there's my next entry point. So the market comes down here, pushes actually a little bit lower, and then pops up, triggering the trade. It actually trades down again, and then boom, pops up. There's the trade entry. The move from there was just about 24 pips, again, enough to pull out profit on the first position. And then you can see here immediately the market turns around. Here's an engulfing bar. There's another possible exit, which would have either way put me out basically at break even, again, had I been watching it. It just so happened this morning when I woke up, I had about the same net effect. So you can see that the trade last night was very instructive, worked out, possibly would have generated a couple of different trades. Now let's talk about what's going on now. I know I don't talk about these very often, just because I haven't been doing these updates real time. But you can see here is the beginning of a sneak attack. Now remember, the key to the sneak attack is that after you have the first move, in this case the move up, you need to see a very fast move down. And the speed of this fast move down is what can cause the market to then bounce back up. So in this case, what I would be looking for